Hello! Welcome back, everyone. We are back on the sofa for another English lesson.
Yes! I am ready. I have my coffee. I am awake. And I am not tired today.
That is a miracle. You are usually always tired. But it is good that you have energy today. Because today, we have some very important words to learn.
Okay, I like important words. What are we learning today?
Well, last time we learned about the morning, the afternoon, and the night. We learned about a single day. But what about the whole week?
The week. You mean Monday, Tuesday, like that?
Exactly! The days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Let's learn all 7.
7 days. Okay. I know the first one. The worst one.
Why is it the worst?
Because you have to go back to work. It is Monday. Monday. Monday.
Yes, Monday. The start of the work week for most people. You wake up early on Monday.
And I drink extra coffee on Monday.
Right. So, after Monday comes Tuesday. Tuesday. Tuesday.
Tuesday. Okay. Monday, Tuesday.
And then the middle of the week. Wednesday. Wednesday. This one is spelled very strangely. It looks like Wednesday. But we just say Wednesday.
English spelling is crazy.
I know. Just don't look at the spelling too much. Just say Wednesday.
Okay. Wednesday. The middle of the week.
Then we have Thursday. 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 You have to use that th sound. Put your tongue between your teeth. Thursday.
Thursday. Wait. Tuesday and Thursday sound very similar to me.
They do. A lot of beginners get them mixed up. Listen closely. Tuesday has a T and a U sound. Tuesday.
Tuesday.
And Thursday has the th sound. Thursday.
Thursday. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Yes! And now, the best day of the work week. Friday. Friday. Friday.
Friday! Yes! The end of work. We can relax.
Exactly. On Friday night, people like to go out. They eat pizza. They see friends.
I love Friday.
And after Friday, the weekend starts. The weekend is 2 days. The first is Saturday. Saturday. Saturday.
Saturday. No work. Just sleeping.
And the last day is Sunday. 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 It has the word sun in it.
Sunday. Okay. Let me try all 7. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Perfect. Now you can talk about the days. And since we are talking about time, let's learn a new question word.
Oh, like the detective words. We learned who, what, and where.
Right. Now we need the word for time. The word is when. W-H-E-N. When.
When. So I use this to ask about days?
Yes. Days or hours or months. You can ask, when is the party? Or, when do you work?
Okay. So I can say, when do you eat pizza?
Always pizza with you. Yes, you can ask that. And I would answer, I eat pizza on Friday.
Question. When do you eat? Answer: on Friday. That is very easy.
It is. Just remember, who is for people? What is for things? Where is for places? And when is for time.
Who? What? Where? When? I feel like a real English speaker now. I can ask so many questions.
You are doing great. Now, let's change the topic. We talked about days. Let's talk about ourselves, our bodies.
Our bodies. Okay, because I use my body to sit on this sofa.
Right. Let's start at the very top. The thing on top of your neck is your head. H-E-A-D. Head.
Head. And on my head, I have hair.
Yes, hair. But let's look at the front of your head. Your face. What do you use to see?
My eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. I have 2 of them.
Good. You see with your eyes. And what do you use to smell coffee?
My nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. It is right in the middle of my face.
Exactly. And what do you use to talk and to eat pizza?
My mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. This is the most important body part, because food goes in there.
I agree. The mouth is very important. So we have head, eyes, nose, mouth.
Head, eyes, nose, mouth. Simple.
Now, let's go down. What are at the ends of your arms? You have 5 fingers on each one.
Oh, my hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. I use my hands to pick up my coffee.
Yes, you have a left hand and a right hand. And what about at the bottom of your legs? What touches the floor?
My feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. I use them to walk.
Perfect. 1 is a foot. 2 are feet.
Wait, 1 foot? 2 feet? Not foots?
No, not foots. English has some strange rules. It changes to feet. Just try to remember it. 1 foot, 2 feet.
English is trying to trick me again. Okay. 1 foot, 2 feet. I have 2 feet.
You got it. Now, we cannot walk around with just our bodies. We need to put something on our bodies.
Oh! Clothes. We need clothes. Because it is cold outside.
Exactly. Let's learn 3 simple clothing words. Just the basics. What do you wear on the top half of your body?
A shirt? S-H-I-R-T. Shirt.
Yes, a shirt. A t-shirt, a button shirt. They are all shirts. You put your arms through the holes.
I am wearing a blue shirt right now.
You are. And what do you wear on the bottom half of your body? On your legs.
Pants. P-A-N-T-S. Pants.
Right. Pants. Some people call them trousers. But pants is very common. You have jeans, sweatpants. They are all pants.
Okay. Shirt on top. Pants on the bottom.
And what do you put on your feet before you walk outside?
Shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. You put shoes over your feet.
Yes! So you have a shirt, pants, and shoes. You are ready to go outside.
But wait. What if it is raining? We learned raining in the last episode. A shirt is not enough.
That is a smart question. If it is raining or cold, you need a jacket. J-A-C-K-E-T. Jacket. Or a coat.
Jacket. You put it over your shirt. To stay warm.
Exactly. Okay, we learned so many words today. Our brains are working hard. Let's review everything quickly.
Okay. I am ready. I will go fast.
Let's hear the days of the week.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Great. And the new question word for time?
When? When is it Friday? Because I want Friday.
Very good. And the body parts? Top to bottom.
Head, eyes, nose, mouth, hands, and feet. Not foots. Feet.
Perfect! You remembered the rule. And the clothes?
Shirt on top, pants on the bottom, shoes on my feet, and a jacket if it is cold.
Wow! You are an English master today. You really paid attention.
I did. But now, my head is full, and my mouth wants to eat.
Of course. It is time for a break. You did a really great job today.
Thank you! It is getting easier, you know. Just talking like this.
It does get easier. The more you listen, the more your brain understands. You just need time and practice.
And a comfortable sofa.
Yes, the sofa is very important. Okay, everyone listening at home, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you! Practice saying the days of the week. Look in the mirror and point to your nose.
That is a great idea. Point to your clothes and say the words. We will see you all next time for episode 4. Keep practicing!
Bye, everyone! See you on Friday!
Goodbye!